Okay. Today, we'll be making macaroni and cheese, only using 5 ingredients. Now, I'm a mom of 3, and sometimes it's just so tough trying to figure out what to make for dinner. This super simple recipe is so easy you can make it any day of the week. We have 5 ingredients, starting with our cooked macaroni. We have our cheese, of course. Now, these next 3 ingredients, butter, flour, and milk, will make a rich, creamy cheese sauce. So, let's get started. You want to make sure your heat is on low while your butter is melting. You don't want to scorch your butter in the pot. Now, it's time to add the flour. So now you want to stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, don't be intimidated by the French term roux. A roux is equal parts by weight, fat, and flour. So your butter and your flour. Now, once you add your milk, it will give you a nice creamy sauce. Now that our bubbles are right on the surface of our roux, it's time to add our milk. So you just want to add a little bit of milk at a time. Constantly stir. Now we can add the rest of our milk. Let's turn up our heat up to medium so that we can get our milk up to a boil. This is the perfect time for the kids to start setting the table for dinner. So continue to watch and stir in your pot because this mixture is going to thicken. Don't worry, you're almost there. Milk mixture with our roux is nice and thick. It's time to add the cheese. And you want to only use about 1.5 cups of your cheese because you want to save some to place on top of your dish. So that's about 1.5 cups. Now that we have our cheese sauce made, it's time to add our macaroni. Now we just want to stir, making sure all of our pasta has the cheesy goodness. Now it's time to add our macaroni and cheese to our baking dish. I've already sprayed it with cooking spray so it doesn't stick. I want to add a little bit more cheese on top because it acts like a crust. And if you want, you can even have the kids just sprinkle the cheese on top for you. So we've already preheated our oven to 350 degrees. Now we'll place this in the oven for 20 minutes and dinner will be ready. Oh my goodness, this looks great. Now that's yummy. And that's it, dinner's ready. Please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let me know what other recipes you would like to see made using only 5 ingredients. The full recipe is linked in this video and on myfoodandfamily.com. See you later.